Hi, I'm Matt Young from Companion Animal Veterinary Hospital, and today I'm reviewing products that can help you keep your family pet healthy. The product I have to review for you today is Hill's TD for dogs. Hill's TD is a complete balanced dry food which helps to clean the teeth as the dogs chew. The kibble has a large size which forces the dog to chew. Normal kibble just breaks up when the tooth penetrates the kibble, but in Hill's TD the tooth digs into the kibble and the special fibres in the kibble scrape to clean the teeth. Hill's TD has a VOHC seal. This is a special independent system that is used to identify products that are scientifically proven to reduce plaque and calculus formation. The limitations of Hill's TD are that the dog actually needs to chew their food. If your dog scoffs their food, they're not going to get any benefit from it. The food will only clean teeth that it comes into contact with, so it won't help to clean some of the teeth that aren't used much, such as incisors or rotated teeth. Overall, Hill's TD is a great product to help reduce periodontal disease in dogs that are good chewers of their food, especially those that are mainly getting periodontal disease on their back teeth. Hill's TD for dogs is available in several sizes from our website or in-store. I hope that helps you when considering feeding Hill's TD to your dog. If you have any questions about Hill's TD for dogs, please leave them in the comments below or contact us using Facebook Messenger.